One funny thing that I would like to add is, so this was our third date, which was at Sevilla. So I had tapped into this date with Paridhi already knowing that's a yes from my side. And it was that day when Paridhi was supposed to say yes, actually. But I already entered in that mindset that, yeah, it's a yes from her side. So the entire date was like, you have already made the decision for me, like by your own. I haven't even said yes from my side. How can you be so sure? So I think it was just that the funny feeling of during the entire time that I could make out that it's a yes from her side as well. And we just like time of our life during that night. It was just great, fantastic.
क्योंकि हम तो है सितारों की रूह हम है सितारों की रूह कायनाते हमसे ही है बने एक थे हम जिस्म दो हो गए
Trying to gauge her, like in terms of what her likings are. It was that meeting, that particular meeting, where I could take that decision that that she's the one, like wherein I could see myself with her for the entire life. So, and I could like in terms of our preferences, our habits and everything were on the same line. I could really see that like Paridhi is like kind of a replica in terms of my personality. So I think that the entire meeting, like the date, really helped in taking the right next step. So it was really good.
Said yes to him when we went out on a date to Claridge's, Sevilla, and that was a very special night for both of us. It was a lot of fun, very easy going, very chilled out, and I just like everything was just flowing, and I just went with it. And ever since, it's only been an upward progression. It's been really, really nice. I've only been more and more sure of this, and I think I'm feeling about my wedding the way I always dreamt I would. So that is a really, really big thing for me. And I think he's everything I ever wanted and hoped for. Yeah. And I just know that this is only going to be a happy and positive journey. It feels like ages have passed. Like I know that ये अगर 10 साल पहले भी आता तो मेरे को यही फीलिंग आती. And he just says आना ही था उसको. Oh, he also says that he's from Jupiter. Like I sent the spaceship a little late, and that's why he's coming now in my life. I was like, good timing.
ओ माही रे, ओ माही रे, माही मैनू छड्डियो ना कि तेरे बिन दिल नहीं लगना. जिथे भी तू चलना है माही मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे चलना. तू जी सकदी नहीं मैं जी सकदा नहीं, कोई दूसरी मैं शर्तां भी रखदा नहीं. क्या तेरे बाजो मेरा सच्चियां मोहब्बत वे माही किते और नहीं मिलना. जिथे भी तू चले माही मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे चलना. ओ माही रे, ओ माही रे.
दिल विच तेरे यारा मैनू रहण दे.
मनीषा आगे आ जाओ गाना सुनेंगे ना. हाँ सुनी 3% बाकी टेक्नोलॉजी.
पकिया छंद के ऊपर आना. दूसरा छंद सुनाऊं जब नाचे मेरा साला.
Traveling wild and I don't know why. I can't contain whatever's burning inside. I gotta find a way to figure it out. I found the answers and there ain't no doubt. You got what I'm looking for, yeah,